Hello, today we show you how to change USDT BEP20 to your TWINT. Firstly, select your crypto pair and click Exchange. Enter your TWINT phone number where you will receive the money and your contact email address, and click Continue button. Confirm your information. Now send USDT BEP20 to generated Bitcoin address to start the exchange to your TWINT account. After the first confirmations of the crypto transaction, the funds will be sent from BoltChange to your TWINT account instantly. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.